launch control for the all-new Renault Megane RS. Right, so now we're in the car and I'm actually going to show you how you use launch control in the all-new Renault Megane RS. First of all, a bit of information about launch control itself. What would you actually be using it for and why? Well, the launch control actually helps you kind of get off the starting line with maximum speed. And this is usually used during track days where you want to have that maximum edge over your competitors who might also be using launch control. So it's all a matter of getting off the line really fast at the maximum acceleration possible. Right, I'm going to show you how easy it is to engage launch control. First of all, make sure you're stepping with your left foot on the brake really hard. Engage drive. Go into sports mode. Then grab both paddle shifters and pull them in. And what's going to happen is you'll see 3 green lights appearing on your dash saying that launch control has been engaged. And once the launch control message disappears, all you need to do is accelerate the car to the maximum really hard, and once you've got enough rev on it, just release the brakes and you're off.